Okay, so in this session, we will also continue the foreign key related additional discussion. Okay, additional extensive discussion, missing topic. Suppose the question is basic demo and all additional theory is over. Now we have to go to certain fundamental topics. First and foremost thing is yes, like how to uh, first we will talk on one RDBMS rule. Okay, what exactly the RDBMS rule is? Yes, this rule how it can be implemented in SAP also you have to see. Okay, yes, as a as RDBMS rule, relationship database management system rule. This rule we have to implement. We have to follow. Yes, check table key field name, check table key field name, and that is not, check table is nothing but that in RDBMS point of view, that is a kind of primary parent table. Okay, there they use this terminology called as parent child. Okay, parent table key field name and what next? Foreign key table, foreign key table, hmm, foreign key field name. Okay. Foreign key field name may be same or may be different. Both. It could be same, it could be different. That means name can be same, but what is the rule? But both must have common data type. Common data type means same data type and length. That is the basic fundamental rule here. So if I go back to the this particular table, yes, your department master key field is DEPT code, and foreign key field is department code. So this DEPT code, both are same in this case. Okay, but it could be same, it might be different also. Okay, name can be different also, accepted, no problem. But what should be same is its its data type is character. Its data type should be character. If it is length 4, it should be length 4. So it must have the common things. Okay, so now if you go to the hmm, SAP point of view, we try to implement this concept. Yes, RDBMS rule in SAP. We are going to write it. Yes. So yes, this is because we will write mm, first rule incorporating into SAP. So in SAP only we come across this check table concept. Check table, check table key field, check table key field name, and same foreign key table, same foreign key field name, foreign key field, okay, field, both may use same data elements, same data elements or different data elements, because yes, field names field names are defined at yes, The reason is field names are field labels. Okay, field labels are part of semantic properties, semantic attributes. That's why data elements might be different. But what next? But both fields must have common domain. Common domain. That means because domain level technical properties are technical properties are defined, right? That's why both can have. Yes, this is what the concept. Suppose if I go to the one more, okay, this is your paintbrush. So we will quickly write the two tables. This is the table. Fine, because we have directly to the point. This is your DEPT code, right? DEPT code. This is also DEPT code, right? So in this case, this both names are same. Names are defined at data element level, but this should have character 4, right? It must have character 4 only, because this is most important things, right? Like if I write it, yes, at the below I can write the complete explanation for this. Okay, if I go to the check table is GAVK_EMP must. What is the check table field name? DEPT code is the field name. So it uses which data element? AVK_DEPT code as data element. This is the data element, right? And it uses the domain GAVK_. I'm using the domain. At domain level, we have this char4. So if you go to the foreign key table also, sorry, mistake. Check table is always when we write, if I do some mistake, this is what. Okay, the foreign key table is GAVK_employee master. In this case, we have field name is same. You have to see, because yes, correct. This is the field name, that is foreign key field name. Next, what? Like this is the data element name, right? Data element name is also same. Sometimes same, sometimes differ also. But it is also using the common domain. The domain is common, right? So, what is the rule? Yes, if you look the this scenario, okay, what is the meaning if I write it here? Like this is your table, normally table name. What type of table it is, we are writing here. Then after that, we are writing the field name here. Table name followed by field name. Field name followed by data element name we are writing here. Data element followed by domain name we are writing. So if you see, correct? Okay. So domain is same. Common domain is used by two table fields. Yes, that is possible. Second, the data element could be same are different because at data element level only names. Suppose this is DEPT code, this we can write DCODE or only code, D code or only code also. Doesn't matter. Names doesn't matter here. Only what matters, its data type should match, length should match. This is the fundamental topic RDBMS rule implemented in, okay, uh, implemented in SAP this way. Okay, right. Then we will, because I will show you these examples, all these different examples. So next, okay, practically we can try out with different field names also, still it is accepted. Okay, then we will move on to the next topic is called as how to identify. This is an interview question or else it is very much important. Technical and functional maybe consultant basically. So how to identify relationship relationship between two database tables is the question. How to identify? Yes. So I will show some examples for you. First, suppose we have many tables this way. Okay, many tables like table 1 and table 2, table 3, table 4, and table 5, and so on. Right? Now you have to identify the relationship. But these tables may have direct connection or indirect connection also, indirect relation also. Suppose first table 1 might connect to table 3, table 3 may can connect it to table 5, table 5 can connect it to table 6, table 6 to again back to table 4, table 4 to table 2 again. See, overall tables are connected only. As a RDBMS rule, what next? A table cannot resides, table cannot exist as a single or alone or only. Okay, a table must connect at least to at least one table or at most more than one also. That is the fundamental rule. So now how do I understand this table's relationship is the question. Okay, got it, no? This is one scenario. I will take you to another example. Like I have one table like this. Just I am going to write T4 here. T4 is a center, middle, table 4. But for table 4 is a one table. There is a list of tables like this. T1, okay, T1, T2, and T3. Okay, yes. So this is your T5, T6. What exactly the left and right scenario? This you have to understand it. So first of all, this is a table. All are independent tables. One table, if you look at left side and right side, left right means you can find one table. One table, it could be this is a check table for T5 and T6 tables. Correct? Yes. If you look at this relationship, what happens? Yes, this is acting like a check table. This T4 is a check table for um, check table for T5 and T6. So T5 is a foreign key table. Similarly, T6 also foreign key table. Correct? But whereas if you go to the this T4 is a this is also a foreign key table. Foreign key table. But foreign key, if I say foreign key, then What are the check tables for T4? Yes, these are all the check tables. Okay, check tables. Example, T1. So T1 to T4. This is check table. This is foreign. T2 to T4. T3 to T4. Yes. Okay. You have to understand this way. If you know a table, that table could be a foreign key table or that table could be a check table also. Yes. When we call it as uh, T4 incoming relationship, incoming means the data is coming from T1, T2, T3. With the check tables data only, you will get it in T4 while creating entry. But it comes to T5 and T6 point of view, T4 data, you will get it in T5 level and T6 level. That's why, see, to understand 6 tables only, it is little complex, but SAP guys made a wonder. What is wonder? They connected with many tables with many tables, correct? That's why it is okay. One way simple, another way bit complex also, right? I will go to one example through. We will try to understand this scenario practically. Okay. So first, I know one table called as, practically we will write one table here as MAKT. This is my table name as MAKT for your example point. MAKT MAKT table MAKT table is having three fields. That is, one is MANDT, second is Matner, next is SPRAS. Okay, SPARS. Okay, three, yes, time limit might be. Now we will go with general example called as MAKT table. So this is your MAKT. In MAKT table, so I've opened it. I want to identify the relationship. So we have three fields here. Yes, P, okay, SPRAS. One second, I'll write quickly again. So this is your MAKT. First field is MANDT. Second field is Matner. Third field is SPRAS. Because this is confused. This is the fields, correct? Now I want to identify them. I know one table as MAKT. I want to identify the relationship. So if you want to identify the relationship, yes, how do we go to the input help and check tab? Input help and check tab, yes. If identify the check table, check this checkbox. Yes, this is all are foreign keys. So the foreign keys checkbox activated means this is a foreign key table. Very simple, correct? But what are the check tables? Check tables also list given here. Now the way we did it, place the cursor on MANDT, click on this cursor. Why cursor position matter? Yes. Field specific relationship you have to check. Click on this icon. Now you have to observe closely T triple zero. So there is a one table called as T triple zero. T triple zero is nothing but it is a kind of client. So the in T triple zero you will find this is your client field. That is, this table holds all client's data, client's. Now what happens? Our table, yes, this okay, directly MANDT to MANDT connection. Okay, so the all the client's data is coming from which table? Yes, T000 table. Yes. So we have to only we don't go that way. We have to have lot of knowledge. First, I place the cursor on MANDT. Go for foreign key. Here, if you observe the short description, you can write it as a simple client field. Yes, check table. So what is check table? MAKT is a foreign key table and foreign key field is MANDT. For that, we connected with check table as T000. T000 act like a check table. Okay, this is check table. Right. Next, if you go to, yes, this is the proposal field. Can see the T000 of MANDT connected with MAKT of MANDT. Right. Next, here it is a key field. What is the meaning of key field? Key field is nothing but in this foreign key table, this foreign key field MANDT is a key field. Yes, I know that. Next, after that, one is to CN relationship also. What is the meaning of that? If you go to the entries, material entries, yes, all records are having mostly 113 only. That is this is the data is coming from error is there because of that. So in MAKT, if you observe the F4 help, you will find the F4 help reason also. So the input help is implemented with check table. That is that F4 help is coming from the F4 help is coming from because if you double click, place the cursor, double click also dump. Okay, but it's due to that append structure issues, we have to resolve it. Okay, then only we can able to find, no worries. That is about your overall MANDT scenario. Okay, you will get all the clients in the F4. Okay, second Matner. If you go to the Matner is nothing but yes, material number. But material numbers are coming from another table is called as Mara table. So there is a second table is called as Mara. In Mara we have MANDT, Matner, both key fields are there. Correct? So now how do we connect it? Yes, material number through it is connected. Matner field through it is connected. Yes. This is the connection between MAKT to Mara table. Yes. If you want a doubt, yes, place the cursor on Matner, then click on this foreign key icon. You will find no short text, but the common fields between these two are Mara and yes, MANDT and Matner, both. So Mara MANDT equals to MAKT MANDT, Mara Matner equals to MAKT Matner. Right. Next, this is a text table. Text table scenario I already told you. Materials are stored in Mara and materials text is maintained in MAKT. That's why it is a key field. Which field? This matter is a key field. But because it is added at a key area, it is added at a key area and moreover it is a text table also. This is text. What is the meaning of 1:CN relationship also you have to understand. Because 1:CN means all probabilities you can expect it. Example, one material, zero description. One material, one description. One material, multilingual description. This is the best example. So mostly we have English only here test data, but that is the practical 1:CN example. All probabilities you can expect here. Then go to the next level. This is nothing but your T002. T002. In case of T002, here also we have MANDT and as well as SPRAS. But now, yes, if you want, you will check it out in SPRAS. Here in T002, we don't want MANDT connection. We want only SPRAS field through these two tables are connected here. It is a key field. It is a key field here, and moreover, it is 1:CN relationship. 1:CN concept is again same thing. We have one language, yes, have one language have zero descriptions. One language have one description. One language can have multiple material descriptions. Depends. Okay. All combinations you can expect it. So this is the way. Even yes, you will find the field specific incoming relationship, foreign key relationship, foreign key checkbox, and the check tables list. Okay, and F4 help reason. Because that data browser due to inconsistency it is not working. F4 help is nothing but at MANDT field you are getting F4 help. The data is coming from T000. All clients data you are getting as a F4 help when you go to maintain a entry into MAKT. Mara, all materials are stored here. So all materials we are getting, that is Mara is a check table, MAKT is a foreign key table. So in that case, incoming data coming from Matner. In this, in the F4 help, you are getting all the Mara materials data into F4 help. Because for that materials only we will maintain the text over here. And the last one, the all language keys. Okay, because you have to remember, revise this. That's why I am telling you, you have to read the notes again and again. Without reading, you will get confusion. Because what is Mara table? All mm, all materials data available here. Correct? What is T002? Because I already introduced, I'm using the same examples. All language keys are stored into T002 only. Right? This is the way you have to observe it and again try to understand the tables relationship also. Okay. Yes, this is your MAKT relationships. Right. Hope you guys understand. Right. I will take you to first. How do I, because we will come from the beginning. Just assume that I am new to SAP. I don't know anything. Just I want to identify the table relationships. Suppose. Yes. We will go with. So I am aware of one table name. My question is this table is connected with how many tables I want to identify that. So first I will tell you, yes, in SC11, yes, SC11 means ABAP dictionary initial screen. What you have to do is specify database table name. That's it. That is, I am not writing Mara, MK, nothing. Any table name you type it. What text? Click on display mode. Display, then go to click on display. Then go to input help and check tab. Check tab. That is input check tab. Then next, you can find the check tables list. Check tables for against each field. Each field. This is one of the way to identify this, because I I know MAKT. This is connected with how many tables I want to identify. Then come here, open the table in display mode, go to input help and check tab, then click on the check tables list. So check tables list through, you will identify this is foreign key table connected with these tables. But only list is enough? Yes, enough. But you want to go with field wise, I already explained to you. Field specific, cardinality, in depth you want to check, you can check it out also. This is the way you can identify. Okay, right. We will go to another way of identification. Right. Suppose if you go to the data browser, yes, at the data browser level also you will find the check table. Yes, this is important. So I will write it. Same topic, because I am giving lot of alternative approaches. So second approach, specify database table name first. Specify table name. What next? Click on display. Same. Click on display mode or change mode. If it is custom table, we can. Then normally utilities. Utilities menu, table contents display. That this is the way you know that we reach to the data browser selection screen. Then execute it. Execute. Now click on click on check tab. Check table button application toolbar. This is one of the way you can identify. You go to read it. So if you go to the data browser, execute, click on check table, button at application toolbar. Check table button at application toolbar. So that you will find, yes, suppose I started from where, yes, again the same rule. I know one table called as MAKT. I want to go to display mode, utilities, table contents and display. Later, go to the execute. Now, here you will find the check table. Okay, here you will find the check table. Yes, right. Inbound foreign key dependencies. This is the rule. Like you will see the color difference. What exactly the color difference here? First, MANDT is a common field between MARA MANDT, MAKT MANDT, T000 MANDT and MAKT MANDT. So this field is common, and this field is common between MAKT Mattner equals to MARA Mattner. This field. Next, MAKT of SPRAS language field equals to T002 SPRAS. That is, you will find the field wise tables, check table list. You will find it here. See, because this is, we can go to, okay, because if you want to, this is not only that, if you want to cross check it, For that purpose, immediately you want to cross check it. Yes. You can go to that particular table, double click. If you double click, you go to Mara. If you double click on T002, you'll go to that table. Because being a control is being here, but you can switch to that tables easily. Okay, that's about your overall. Yes. Next, another way of checking. So uh, specify any database table name. I am not giving specific any table name. Then click on display. Okay, click on display button. Yes. Here you will find one graphical icon to identify the relationship. What is that graphical icon? Is this one graphic? I guess can go to graphic. No, where is the menu path for graphic? Edit, go to cross. The option is not given here. Yes, okay, not a problem. Then you have to click on graphic icon in the application toolbar. So we have to see closely. This is at a table definition level, structure level. Okay, yes, graphic icon. So it will load graphic icon, load the graphical picture. Okay, yes, this is one. Is separated dictionary colon foreign key relationship. Okay, this is your overall. So first let me finish. Let's click on display, then click on graphic icon to application tool. Right. This is another one. So if you want to see pictorial representation, graphic representation, I will close this because you have to know. Open the table in display mode, click on this icon, Control Shift F11 will open the graphical editor. Yes, this is your, yes. There are, okay, so many. This is a separate kind of extended. You can do select all those stuff. Even I have not did this much extended help and all. But see left side, you will find the tables list, right side. But left side is display area, right side is navigation area. Always you have to go with navigation area. In navigation area, you will find one green color arrow. Like if you consider this is highlighting everything. See, when your interaction zone is this right side, you cannot do anything here. Suppose you want to zoom in or zoom out, you just come to place the cursor on. I want to go to MAKT first. So now this is where we will drag it and keep it on MAKT first. So are you observing? Yes. You have to see the yellow, no, sorry, green. It's MAKT material description. So if you go to MAKT to slowly drag towards left, 1 is to CN text. This is Mara. So Mara to MAKT is 1 is to CN text relationship. If you go to at the top, this is 1 is to CN. This is T002. That is nothing but language keys. So MAKT to T002 language keys through it is connected, right? If you come to Mara to left side T000. Mara to 3000, this is the relationship. Okay. So how these tables are connected, how SAP designed, you want to understand the tables list and the cardinality and the complete graphical representation, you will find it over here. This is a special software that it is loaded here. This is one of the way. Clear? Then we will move on to the next topic is, yes, where used list. Okay. Its next way is to identify that, yes, specify the table name, specify database table name, and click on where used list, where hyphen used list. Yes. Then you will find the result as a used tables list. Let us see practically. Suppose you want MAKT is foreign key table. Yes. If MAKT is used in other tables, yes. If you want to see MAKT is used in other tables, yes, you can find like this. So that MAKT used tables, you will get it. If at all anywhere it is used. So it is not found anywhere. As we know that T triple zero. T triple zero is used in MAKT because I want to search with check table. Check table 2, I don't want this table is used in many places. I don't want all the stuff. I want this database tables only. Tables plural. Okay. So this search will take time, but finally you will get T triple zero is used in MAKT also. You will get it. So same way you start with Mara, where used, you will get MAKT. T002 where used, you will get MAKT because your where used, which table uses which table, because T triple zero used by MAKT. Mara is used by MAKT, correct? So that's why you have to start from check table so that you will get the yes. See, there are how much? 43,182 tables listed. But among that, can we find MAKT? Definitely you will find MAKT, no doubt, because this is the result. Okay, you have to go to A, B, C, D. Yes, somewhere simply you can type MAKT here. It's not found. Search not found in 100. Search not found in 100. Go with 999. Maximum number. Still not found. Leave it. Close this dialog box. We'll go manual approach. Okay, where is that? See. So we will go to so so if you go to the next pages quickly, okay, you will reach to so definitely you will find the yes M started MAKT because this is for sure. Clear? So similar way If you want to find out Mara, Mara to where used list, but it is used in several places. Remove this, go to only tables, tables and continue. So we got quickly. Among this, search for MAKT. So simply directly you got it MAKT. So Mara through you got MAKT. Clear? So similarly, T002. Okay. Oh, T002. What next? You have to go to, sorry, where used, right? Yes, where used. Database tables. Continue. Okay. So now in this 14,000, you will find MAKT. Yes, MAKT. Multiple, right? So this is the way to where use list is useful for you to quickly identify. Okay, got it? Then next, last and finally, yes, final way of identifying is one of the way is using database views also can be used sometimes. Okay, using okay database views, but that we will talk later. Yes. Next, there is a one PDF is there. Go to Google. Yes, you in Google you can search SAP table relationships PDF by okay. So SAP table relationships PDF you will find here. This is a PDF. In slide share also you will get it. SAP table relationship PDF. Okay. This is the table relationship PDF by Christopher Solomon. Here, yes, transparent table, cluster table relationship, one to one, one to many. Okay, here you have SD tables, MM tables, FI tables. Okay, FI first. Yes, FI CO tables. So today you download it. Okay, all these tables on which field is common field between this also. It is okay. Yes, you can find out. FICO tables first. Okay, purchase data, general data, company code data, accounts payables. Okay, here it is. Where is the download option? Okay, this is you will get it. Accounts receivables, material master data. Okay, MM, tables, purchasing tables, purchase requisition, purchasing, yes, tables relationship, and the next goods receipt related tables, GR. Then again, with purchasing to basic, MARA, MARC, MAKT, MARA, and MPEW at accounting document level. So you can check it out. Purchase info record tables and similarly PP tables. Okay, SD tables, very important. Yes, SD sales, shipping or delivery, and billing. These tables. Okay, yes, this is the SD tables to tables relationship. Okay. How on what basis tables are commonly connected? Partner functions or document flow VBFA, VBPA, and so many VBEP schedule lines tables, KONV condition master table. Okay, yes. Hmm? Okay, this is about your SD tables, shipping tables, billing tables. Okay, table link or relationship also you will find out. Okay, this is about your yes. So um, find the SAP table relationship PDF by Christopher. This is in Google. Find or search in Google. Okay, you will get definitely you will get the this particular. You can refer it. So this is finally Google option I am giving as a last. But prior to that, you have to know within SAP how do you identify the relationships. Okay. Yes. With this knowledge, I will take you to one known example because we know a table. Which table? Department master, right? Yes. We have two EMP master to department. First, I started with EMP master. EMP master, go to display mode. Go to input help and check tab. You will find it here, the check table. Check table is, this is a foreign key table. Yes, this one. If you go to graphic icon, yes, relationship is very straightforward. If you go to the entries and check the browser, check table, yes, this is the field, which field through it is connected. Okay, this is your, because whatever I covered, quickly I'm showing. EMP master where used? No, you don't get because it is not used anywhere yet. So it is not used. That's why you will get the result as not found. But your search should start from search should start with DEPT. DEPT used in EMP. Go to where used. Where used. Here, if you go to the database tables, yes, database tables, then continue. Yes, you got the DEPT to EMP connectivity and a list. Okay. Yes, this is your overall identification. Okay, so you know any table, we want to identify that. Okay, which table to which table relationship. So you, if you go with BSEG table, because FI related, open BSEG table. No problem. Okay. Yes. Again, we know the we will continue with our known process only. First, you have to go to input help and check tab. Yes, this is the list. See, it is actually triple four. That means many fields are there. Yes, this is what the depth is. Okay, yes, I will take you to one by one slowly. No confusion. Fundamentally, we are clear. No problem. Suppose if you go to T triple zero, that is this particular field, MA and DT3, it is connected with T triple zero. This is how SAP people connected. Yes, if you go to foreign keys, yes. MSEG, BSEG of MANDT equals to T triple zero of MANDT. Clear? Yes. Go to T001. That is nothing but if you go to the bookers, place the cursor on this bookers, like here foreign keys. That is all company codes are coming from T001 table. Yes. Whether it, yes. Next, go to some other field, TBSL, because what is this and all, even we don't know. At least known table, we can search it. Okay, yes. So this table is connected with so many T tables. T tables, T beginning with tables are majority system tables. Example, you will find PSWSL. What is PSWSL? This is a currency, CURR. This is connected with TCURC table. On what way it is connected? You place the cursor and check. Yes. So BSEG of PSWSL field is connected with TCURC of WAERS. See, this is one of the example, best example for you. I told you table MA field names are tallied, but the second WAERS, PSWSL, this both are not tallied. Both are not tallied. Field names are not tallied, but what is the common is the data type and length is tallied. If you want, I can show you now itself. We will go to first SC11 TCURC table and go to the WAERS. So its data type, its data element is something WAERS, okay, and its domain is yes, domain is WAERS UKY. This is what. So we'll keep as left. We will go to another table called as BSEG right side. So we will see practically SC11. So table name is BSEG. We will go to this is your PS. What was the field name? Currency. PSWSL. Try to understand only this field PSWSL. Right. So this is the field name. Right. So the data element is PSWSL. PSWSL they are writing here it is this data element name. See the field name WARS. This field name is PSWSL. Even the field names are different. Field names are semantic properties are different. But what is common is this WARS uses CUKY5. But this is also CUKY5. Data type is common and the length is common. On what basis? Because data type and length is coming from domain. So both are using common domain. WARS go to this data element, go to PSWSL data element. Yes, two data elements are different, but both are using the common domain. Yes, common domain. That's why it is getting the common data type and length also. So this is the way once you are clear with the basic concepts, you can work with n number of tables without confusion because fundamentally we are clear. As you take any table, is see BSEG is connected with AUFK. AUFK is a production order of NER. PP table, production planning table of NER. On what basis this is connected? Place the cursor, click on foreign key icon. Yes. So BSEG of OFNER, AFNR equals to AUFK of OFNER. Yes. And even why not? If you want to go to the F4 help, if this table allows, I can show you F4 help also. Yes. It takes time, but still we will see. One record we will consider. Select the record, click on display. Yes. Now, yes, this is what. First, the client. The client values are coming from T triple zero. See here, T triple zero values. All clients list, among that we have chosen 113 user chosen. Company code. All company codes are coming from T001. See, all company codes are this. Among that, ARC1 is chosen. Okay, clear? Yes. This is the way you can go to that PRSW currency keys somewhere here. Yes. F4. But, simply, if you go through this way, wherever you find F4, scroll down, scroll down. If you find the input field, yes, F4. F4 help also have some reasons. F4 help doesn't come just casually. So F4 help have complete reasons also. We will get business areas. So all business areas, we will get it in this list. So you can find out which table stores all business areas. Yes. So this is what the overall, since it is a non-key field, they kept as blank initial values. Okay. Yes. Oh, that's all. The today's topic. A quick recap is we have started with additional information on foreign key field type and key non-key text table, cardinality options, RDBMS rule, how it can be implemented in SAP, how to find out the relationship, okay, between SAP tables. Okay, this is most important for functionals to identify. You go with SD examples, MMFI, any PPHR, any tables you will try with. This is helpful for project point of view. Then after I have gave the relationship lot of additional stuff also. Yes, tomorrow we will study the two missing pending topics, that is value table and working with the CURR, CUKY and con and unit data types. That is our additional topic related to this connected topic only, foreign related only. Okay, thank you.